ReadSpeaker Web Reader is more than a text-to-speech player. It also has accessibility tools that are available for all students. It has been shown that multimodal learning helps you retain information. ReadSpeaker Web Reader is text-to-speech technology, which presents the information with highlighted or underlined words and sentences as it is being read to you. This employs both sight and hearing. The sight sense has two engagements: the reading of the words themselves, and the change of colors or words underlined while the information is read, which brings more attention to the words. This is a total of 3 forms of learning engagement. In Moodle, the web reader tool is located in a widget or block that is generally on the top left-hand side of the screen. The web reader tool is available for all tools and files except for Word documents, Excel files, PowerPoints, and PDFs. These files will be read with another tool called Doc Reader. Begin by clicking on a lesson. At the top left of the page, you see the Listen button in the widget. You can click Listen to have the page read from the top to the bottom, or you can highlight a portion of the page and click Listen from the web reader player or the pop-up menu to hear only that portion read to you. Let's listen to a portion of this lesson. Knowing where to find learner support is essential to your success. Now that you know where to find Web Reader, you are ready to begin your use of this awesome tool.